is your 0851 of the Victoria Line service for Walthamstow Central Brixton. Train 232 to Brixton. To platform 4 is crossing Pancras. 0853 the Victoria Line service for Walthamstow Central Brixton. Train 204. Train 204 to Brixton. Now about to leave off platform number 4 at King's Cross and Pancras is your 0853 London Underground Victoria Line service from Walthamstow Central Brixton. Train 204. Train 204 to Brixton. Now approaching platform 4 at King's Cross and Pancras. Your 0855 London Underground Victoria Line service from Walthamstow Central Brixton. Train 233 to Brixton. Now buzzing off platform 4 at King's Cross and Pancras is your 0855 London Underground Victoria Line service from Walthamstow Central to Brixton. Train 233. Platform 4 King's Cross and Pancras is your 0856 London Underground Victoria Line service from Walthamstow Central to Brixton. Oh, I just signed up an S stop. Train 203. Train 203 to Brixton. And as you got platform 4 at King's Cross and Pancras is your 0856 London Underground Victoria Line service from Walthamstow Central to Brixton. Train 207. Oh, it's stopped. Why is it stopped? Oh, there it goes. Train 203 to Brixton. Now approaching platform 4 at King's Cross and Pancras is your 0858 London Underground Victoria Line service from Walthamstow Central to Brixton. Train 250. Train 250 to Brixton. Now we've got platform 4 at King's Cross and Pancras is your 0858 London Underground Victoria Line service from Walthamstow Central to Brixton. Train 250. That's bullshit.
Mindset, buying it now to sell for 10 years and pick it off. That's what mate of mine does from there.
train now, as it is ready to leave. Platform 14 for the 11:18 Great Western Railway service to Bedwin, which is ready to leave.
Hello everybody, this is Amy Trains here, and this is another part of this video of me filming my face. Well today, as you can probably tell, I am at London Paddington on the Great Western Main Line. Today I'm going to be doing a special video because this thing just turned up. It's the new Class 800 for Great Western Railway. It has now been in service for like a few days. So in this video I'm going to be doing like, just like, what do you call it? This video like where you like film the train and just, I don't know what the name is, but I'm just going to be doing some kind of video that has something to do with this entire topic. So, I'm going to be doing, some kind of video to do with the 800, and we're going to take a ride in it up to Reading. So, let's get on with it. Okay, so we're on the train now, and the time now is 11:33. Ignore that. On Thursday the 26th of October 2017. We're now on the new train. We're in the standard class on the new 800. It is about 10ish minutes before we depart. So sit back and enjoy the journey.
Before he was there, no one cared because they knew that I was just posting loads of stuff anyway.
Oh, I see. The panel. Oh, type my phone. Do you get any service you like home?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
I've got a travel pass.
Yeah, I thought you could do that. Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is paid for every journey. No more trips for me.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
And to see should the change there. And then that's it. Well, Spalding actually.
Yeah. Does that make it cheaper?
I don't mind doing it. It's a nice journey. I've been around that route before, so
Nice route. From Nottingham, a bit from Nottingham.
yeah. I think I want a Skegness train. I don't know if that's just a 153.
Yeah.
It's usually a dog for one coach.
Yeah.
153.
Yeah.
Oh, that'll be fun. One coach.
It's an experience.
Yes. Not been in one of them before, so not been in the EMC one.
Oh, of course not.
We done it from Swindon to Westbury. It's bloody terrible.
And I don't know 153. It's not the East Midlands one.
Welcome aboard this Great Western Railway service to Swansea. We'll be calling at Reading, Swindon, Bristol Parkway, Newport, Cardiff Central, Bridgend, or Talbot
Isn't it
Parkway,
actually both as well, isn't
Neath,
it?
and Swansea. The next station is Reading.
So interesting, the guy said to me, we stood on one looking at the one on two.
Yeah.
And the guy said to me, oh, you
Do not leave
Well,
unattended
this one will
items
be
and
ready
luggage
in
on the train or
Where?
at the station.
because it goes non-stop to Swindon, which isn't electric. So we'll get to Reading, I'll take it down because it's not stopping at Didcot.
Is the power on to this Reading though now?
Please
This
do
is
not
running on the
leave
electric power now.
unattended items and
Right, and then
luggage
it
on the
changes
train
They'll
or
go
at
down at
the
Reading.
station.
They'll
I
go full
see, I've
diesel.
heard two things. People are saying, I've seen that be the case, but people are saying that it's going up and down at Maitland.
Yeah, that's the other ones. That's the local trains. The 387 is doing that.
Yeah,
one.
387.
Yeah, they're doing
CCTV
Maitland.
is in
these ones will
operation
go down
on
at
this
Reading.
train for your
This is the
safety
Express.
and security.
Right.
Please keep an eye on your personal belongings at all times. If you see anything suspicious, please tell a member of staff.
Apart from this board,
This one doesn't. This one goes straight to Swindon and Reading. They do start at Didcot though.
yeah, because I'd looked to see if this goes to Didcot because I haven't been up to
They won't,
Didcot and I wanted
they
to go
won't
up there.
continue on electric from Reading though because it doesn't stop at Didcot. And then Swindon isn't electric, so they have to take it down at Reading so it can go straight to Swindon. This is what would be the point of saying we're not going to call it Didcot when they're going to stop there anyway and take it down. So they'll take it down at Reading instead.
If this was the stop at Didcot, would it continue electric?
Yes, it would continue electric to Didcot and then go down there instead.
There's 011.
What are you guys doing? Are you guys staying in Reading? Are you going elsewhere to Reading?
Well, eventually we're heading back in to go out to Heathrow on the Heathrow Express.
I can join you on that.
You can if you want.
How much are you paying for it? How much
I've done it, yeah, I booked it because I've got an app thing.
Alright, how much is it easily?
For an adult, it's quite expensive. It's like 20 quid odd return.
20 quid return. I'll have a look at it.
Yeah, have a look and see what you could do. But I was saying to Kieron, the irony is I can take 4 or 5 kids for free, one adult.
Yeah, my travel pass will cover it either, so it's around GWR trains.
There's the 57.
Oh, what, the one we were just looking at?
The one that passed us earlier.
Oh yeah, yeah.
No, actually, no, it can't be.
No, it can't be.
That must be. It must have gone back down.
Confused me. Didn't take much, but you did it.
It must have gone back down.
Alright. What, in the time we went back there?
Yeah, it must have gone back down and ended up down there. We've been up to mainland this morning.
Oh yeah, Donkey messaged me saying so.
Very
How-
good. Good morning.
Good old freighter.
Evening Star,
Evening start. was
50
nice.
DRS 57, a couple of other sheds floating around,
Last,
and
about
the
6 months
Hanson
ago,
59.
Peterborough.
And the Hanson's 59.
Yeah, the Hanson.
59.
Is it Terminal 5 you're going to?
Probably.
Just checking.
Just need to. Is that what the message me?
Is it still here?
Terminal 5.
Yeah, it's gone. Oh, 59 has moved off.
Yeah, 24 quid.
Yeah. You can take X number of kids and all that through that, but
Oh,
it's
look.
still expensive.
It's still there, it's come off its wagon.
Yes,
It's
Terminal 5.
right.
Then we need to get the 423 bus as far as East Church Road bus stop.
Oh, okay.
And then that takes you to a roundabout. And that's where they're up to 3 o'clock, that's where they're coming in or going out.
So you're going on a bus, where to from there?
Well, you go out to this bus stop, you walk from the bus stop to this roundabout.
Okay. So you're heading to another, so you're heading from Terminal 5 to this
Yeah, to this
roundabout?
spotting point, yeah.
Oh, it's a spot, another stop, yeah.
It's a known place. There's the roundabout and then there's the field, which you were on about,
Yeah.
where they come in over here and over the houses.
I'll probably leave it through then, just leave it at Reading.
Yeah?
Just staying at Reading for a bit.
Well, yeah, we might do that. Depends what's happening there. You know what's going through there?
I ain't looked.
You haven't looked.
I'm just going to play it by ear.
Yeah. Get something to eat.
Yeah, I'll join you back.
Yeah.
Need to get some food.
Yeah, definitely. So we've been eating since 4 o'clock. It's been,
Yeah, I'm about to say, I missed breakfast this morning, so I was up there early.
I had about half a slice of toast.
I woke up, the alarm went off about 6, and I was like, oh, get up, and I fell back asleep.
So what was it that you were doing then? Was it like an apprenticeship thing? Or?
It's with Princess Trust,
Right.
so it was a customer service course.
Right.
So I was on stations last week. I went to Plymouth, Newton Abbot and Exeter, which was good. And then this week I've been on board and Brecken's customer house.
Right.
Went on the buffet,
Yeah.
which has been incredible. basically they charge so much stuff. Like charger, so I have all the announcements saying it was open and stuff.
Yeah.
My server office would make hot drinks, make sandwiches for people. Took money.
Carry is the reassessment to pick up the next item.
That's not just something that does not feel right.
No.
That's a bit jolty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Got an alarm gone
You should stop, I think.
Not again. I've been held up at Euston this morning.
Everyone watch out. It's going to leak. The aircon's going to leak.
Yeah, the aircon's going to leak.
I've just coming into Euston this morning. They stopped everyone outside Euston because the fire alarms had gone off.
Yeah.
Oh, bro.
So there's literally every signal at Euston had gone red.
It's more of a nightmare. You dropping that or that doing that?
I don't know. I've got camera and phone sitting here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
A small plane there.
Yeah. Don't interfere with the
That's it.
electric network using your phone. No, it can't be like that because every electric train would be like that.
Exactly.
What they reckon? They reckon it was left to heat overnight, don't they, or something?
Yeah.
Something like that.
Someone left it overnight and then at least in the morning.
Crazy.
I think you go in there is better.
Yeah, maybe just that one.
Yeah.
So would there be any scope
Oh.
for you to do anything with GWR now?
No, I think.
Well, they've encouraged me to apply to that shit. And they were really impressed. Really well.
So they'll look out for you
Yeah,
making an application.
they'll feedback to anyway, so that's what they do.
Right.
It's up to them what they think, really, I suppose. Yeah.
Great. Hopefully it's a doorway in there.
They're going to put it out one day.
It's nice to actually see someone who enjoys the railways actually go and do
Yeah.
something with it instead
With
of just
it,
slagging
yeah.
everyone else off.
That's right.
Too many of that.
Yep.
There's these public groups, like the users group, 150, 150 or whatever it is, Sprinter group, those groups, they just come to, you post a photo of a train and then they just like,
Slag it off. If you get 50 posts, slagging it off. Just don't
really
bother.
horrible people, like, and the surprising thing is, most of them are railway staff.
I know.
It's like they're supposed to be setting an example
Yes.
for us, but yet they're not. All they're doing is just behaving so immaturely because they're not in work and they feel like, oh, we're better than you because we've got a job on the railway.
Yeah. That's about the
And
size
they're
of it.
better than us. because
The only group that I
other
find you
people have
don't get
jobs.
that is the Freightliner group.
Yes, that's the only one I've stayed in out of
Yeah.
that lot. I've stayed in that one because that's quite good.
I put pictures on the Freightliner group last night, and someone tagged the driver of the train in it, and he was saying that he was stuck behind the all legit train service.
Mm.
It's about the only one that I'm in.
Yeah, I've come out in loads. I think at one time I was in 80 groups and I'm down to about 15.
I'm not doing many now. I love all the random people from around the world that tried to get in your group.
Yeah.
Funny.
Yeah, all these Indians trying to get into your group. There's a whole spate of it at one time.
Oh, there's a couple this morning.
I got about 9 things popped up one morning and it was all Indians trying to get into your group from India.
What's gone wrong with your messenger?
Nothing. It's I deactivated my account a while ago, so it's just going to be funny.
Oh, fair enough.
Let me sort it out.
Because I went to message you the other day because someone tried to join your group and I can't remember his name, but I'm sure that you kicked him out. And I was going to message you and ask you, and then I couldn't message you.
I think Duncan was like the only person who didn't have a problem.
See? Favoured person is it?
In fact, actually, what's the matter? Do it with Adam as well, just in case. Usually what you have to do is press block and unblock, and then it fixes itself.
Oh, right.
You have to press the block button, then you unblock them.
Right.
Block the messages, unblock the messages, and then it fixes
And they're all right
itself.
again.
Which is what I just did with Kieron Izon.
Fair enough.
You should be alright now.
Because I was going to message you.
Now
'cause
he's blocked completely now.
yeah, he don't like my tone now, does he?
I don't like your tone, though. You unblock it.
Yeah, I can message you.
Actually, it sounds really bad, isn't it?
What's that?
Since I've seen you.
Yeah, it must be.
I've seen you
Christmas.
quite recently, but it's not.
But then it was ages
Me and you,
before that, wasn't it?
Christmas was last time.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been ages.
And then it's now, and then it'll be what?
Christmas,
7 or 8
no.
weeks, is it?
Yeah, Peterborough.
Peterborough.
I've got to phone up charity and I'll get charity box.
Are you serious? You just put.
He does this.
Everyone's going to meme it now. You watch Alex, he'll start posting memes.
I've told him off about doing that.
Yes.
Little kid.
Cox, Alex Cox.
He was on trial,
These
isn't he?
moved, didn't they?
I heard about that. I had a message
You heard
from,
about that, did you?
Yeah, Sean told me about
Oh, did he?
it. He messaged me. I mean, no, it's a joke. It's a figure of speech. But yeah, he. I think my thing starts tomorrow at my house.
Is it? What, tomorrow night?
Tomorrow. It starts tomorrow, basically.
Alright, yeah. So it expires the end of tomorrow. So tomorrow you'll be all over the network.
Course, so I've got a job on here and get up there.
Yeah, you would do. Good.
Be able to actually travel around for leisure as well. So I can travel around for leisure on this.
Oh, I see. Right.
It's only a course one.
It's specific.
Yeah, it's course specific, so I can travel around course days.
Right, okay.
So I mean, I could go to Reading and then change to Reading and go back to Bishop and Reading. But then I couldn't do anything after that.
Right. I won't get tickets, is it? Maybe I'll just put it.
I don't know, where am I? By the time I find them, I'll be at bloody ready.
London to Reading, London to...
Thank you.
What's up?
That's me, then. Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
Yeah, your eyes out then.
These things move, didn't they?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, she said to me something about, you said to him about his behaviour or something, the way he was acting, which I do agree with. He was acting out of order a lot of people. I did tell him off. I told him.
Oh, I had a right, you know what, I had a right old go.
I told him,
I told him
like,
a couple of times in like one liners, just to sort of, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Politely, you know, or nicely. And then he kept on.
A lot different.
He got roasted, or whatever you call it.
I don't say rusted.
Yeah. Yes.
I said that to Russ the other day. He acted with love.
He's
Yeah.
gone quiet again, isn't he?
Russ?
Yeah.
He's alright. He's still acting through. Russ is always about in the shadows.
Yeah, he's in the shadows. He doesn't like to
We
get
talk
thick
quite a
with
lot
it.
now. Me and Russ are good friends
Yeah.
now again. So
It's good.
staying that way as well. Now.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Russ said he was not going to let that one happen again.
No.
He said he was wrong to have a go at me. He said I shouldn't have let it go. And you know, he said he regretted big time. Having a go at me.
That's a fair comment,
So,
isn't
no,
it?
he meant to have a go at the other one
Yes.
and not me.
Yeah, because he trusted the other one, didn't he?
Unfortunately.
More unfortunately, I didn't realise. Now I just roast posts about how I think that.
Yeah. Yeah, you've done well out of it since, to be honest.
Oh, I've stuck with you guys. You guys are good friends. You know,
Exactly. But even us aside, on your channel and stuff, it's done a lot better.
yeah, changed that a lot. I'm not so doubtful about it anymore.
Exactly.
I just go with the flow.
I can't believe you was at Watford Junction. I had to go. What?
Well, if you were aware, yeah.
Mind, I wouldn't have gone anyway.
I was there at Watford like a couple of weeks ago filming in Euston
Yeah.
at Watford. So,
I
you were
would,
at Euston on the same day I went there, but I had no idea you were there.
I didn't know you were there either.
if I turned up and
That's
Tang was there, I
crazy.
would have left.
Tana, well, no.
I can't
I went
stand
to
it.
Farnborough last week, and then Tana said she was going to turn up. She didn't.
Oh, that's worse than Kevin.
God.
Just
Could you imagine if she had?
I don't know what would be worse, Kevin or Debbie. That's a tough one. Kevin or Debbie, who's
Oh,
worse?
gosh, I don't know.
See, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I get on with Kevin. Like,
Yeah.
Kevin get on, but I kind of see where you're coming from when it comes to not liking because of his attitude. I mean, he takes something that's a lot serious. I mean,
The bit I don't like is the arrogance. That's the
I don't
bit
think
that
he's
gets...
as arrogant as some. think he knows. I think he sort of knows. I mean, when I talk to him, he listens, and like I say to him, he shouldn't really be saying that. He instantly stops and deletes it. Because I think he looks up to me a lot. Kevin does. He just doesn't show it. Kevin does like. He sort of like whenever we talk, he listens to me a lot. But I can see where you're coming from. When I was posting something about the trip to Lincoln, I go to Ben, I'm saying, nice, joining me then. And I'm like, yeah, I am joining you. But then he went, I think that wasn't I put a posting of going here this week and he's like, nice, I'm going here. And stuff like that. He always make it about him. I don't have a problem with Kevin, he's great.
It wouldn't do for us all to like everyone.
I just realised he's recording.
You won't be able to upload that.
It's my own fault. Record the journey back, I'll shut up. I won't be there when you get back.
We'll have to sit on with it.
It's alright, I don't rave about it. It's not as good as I expected it to be. I have to say.
Yeah, it's a bit bumpy, yeah. I'm here in my first one. I went on the Tuesday. I'm more peaceful.
It feels very sort of cheap. It feels a bit like a larder.
I wonder if the Virgin ones be better.
Hey?
I wonder if Virgin's ones would be any better.
I'll tell you what's better. It's the javelins.
What?
Further javelins to this.
You don't
I am
like
severely offended.
Why?
I hate javelins.
Oh, really? Why? You're the only person I've ever met who doesn't like
They're boring.
You like them, do you? Yeah.
I hate javelins.
Why?
It's boring. It's just boring.
No, I like the javelin.
It's just boring terrain.
Mine, we got to cab it as well, so.
Yeah, that's saying this. I'm sat on one of these.
This is
Not as boring. It's just GWR. So it's not as boring.
Yeah, but
Javelin is southeastern.
I see. Trying to big it up now.
Yeah, I'm being biased, you see.
I'd much rather do 140 down HS1 in a javelin.
Here we go with a comparison.
It's the only one I should make. I'll just leave it there.
We'll get on that. What, sorry?
Still, I'm glad we've done it.
I was on it yesterday on the train back to Plymouth and I got to experience the Pullman restaurant.
Yeah.
Like the chef in the buffet.
Yeah?
We even got to have some roast potatoes.
You done the Crossrail train yet?
Nah, not yet.
Yeah, we've done that as well.
Not done the Crossrail yet. I've
Done
done
that,
Heathrow yet. I've done the Heathrow.
No, I haven't done Heathrow.
I will try it at some stage. I'll make a day of it.
I haven't done it yet. I need it.
Come with us today and do it.
And I won't be trying it today, but I'll be trying it another time. So I'll go back home. What? Film 332s, 360s. But yeah, I will do it at some stage, but not today. Adam found his entertainment.
Found a friend. 2 Adams.
Now you know who to call if you're stuck on Millionaire.
So if I say Adam now, they go, we both go, yeah.
Oh god, yeah. Just call it maybe.
Adam 1 and Adam 2. Will it be yet?
What's that?
It's not on diesel yet.
Be a diesel after Reading.
Yeah, after Reading. Yeah, not yet.
Be noisy.
It's just noisy.
Be lucky to get off after Reading.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. If you get off at Reading, you're lucky.
Why is that?
Carry on, and you get to experience the full diesel. That's very nice.
Really?
The diesel
Worse.
doesn't actually sound that nice. It sounds like a Voyager.
Oh no.
See, I quite like the sound of the Voyagers.
I'm now even more offended.
You'd be getting off in there, wouldn't you?
I was more
Before
offended
Reading.
by the 395 Javelin thing, now I'm offended by the Voyager.
No, when they go through absolute at full clap, I quite like them.
I want to go through on the OCML, they're good. But if you're talking about cross country, no, they're very bad.
No, I'm not about that. I'm on about as they go, as the Virgin ones, we flew up through
Virgin
absolute.
ones, okay, that's a different story, that's nice. They're better livery.
No, I wasn't about cross country. It's shite.
Yeah, you have to tell me that. I live with them. It's just they're horrible. To be fair, you guys live with them too.
Yeah.
Cross country. You guys live in cross country.
Yeah, we'd get those from Melton.
Home of the pork pies.
Yeah, see, I don't have to seat them. I quite like it.
That's how I like finger melting though, roast pork pies.
Absolutely, yeah.
I just get dodgy desis all
There's a
day.
lot of places around there sell them.
Really overdone as always.
As always, British tradition, isn't it? So
It's
down-
good, good stuff. And they
they're down
have
at
their
12
fairs. When they have their food fairs there, they're excellent.
Yes, I
You
bet.
get all the cheeses, all the speciality Stiltons and stuff.
See, when you're down like Torbay, Devon, just pondered your pasties,
Fudge.
fudge,
Cream
fish and
chips,
chips,
yeah.
but mostly pasties.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Cornwall, carrot eggs bad, pasties everywhere.
Kieron
there.
Izon.
Yeah. When I went down
Yeah,
to
I
court.
went down Devon way again next summer, next summer, isn't it? I'm staying next year again.
For a week.
Yeah. You've got to try Penzance and some of the branch line.
Well, it'll be down to you, won't it? You're going to be mine host.
Yes. You've got to do Penzance and the Cornish branch lines. And I found
Yeah, I do those, yeah.
New Key, Lou and Dunny as well.
I wasn't far from you the other week.
Where were you?
North Devon.
Yeah, you
North
will.
Devon, what part of North Devon were you in?
Westwood High.
Okay, I don't know that one.
It's not. It's about 10 miles from Barnstable.
Oh, that's why I don't know.
Plymouth
Cut
this
off from the
weekend.
rear.
Are you at Plymouth this weekend in Dawlish?
No, Jared's down there, I'm not. I'm at Lincoln, aren't I? I'm
Oh,
going to
of course
Lincoln.
you are, yeah. Because Jake said you're there.
Nah, Jake's wrong, I'm not.
Jake Barrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they're all taking along to see Jared for his special.
I've seen Jared.
Oh, really?
I've met Jared a few times.
Yeah, but he cancelled it last time in
Cancelled
September.
it twice.
Well,
Cancelled
twice,
it,
yeah, was it?
he was going to come on the 30th of September.
Right.
Didn't go. He was going to come on the 14th. Didn't go. Now he's going on the 28th. And he's going.
Definite.
He cancelled them the last minute on the 30th. Said, "Oh, unfortunately, I'm not going." Like on the day of going. I know it was like before even, but it's still really last minute. But yeah, he's going to Plymouth, but unfortunately, I'm not because I'm.
Well, I'm
out
glad
of
I
London.
didn't book the tickets then, because I was going to book the tickets on the strength of him telling me you were going to go there. I
To be
thought, well,
fair,
if you and
I've-
Jared are both there,
I met Jared back in May when we went to Stratford.
I've met him once when he done his West Coast main line last year at Absolute.
I saw that, yeah, you were there.
Yeah.
I just saw your head peering in and out of the video.
God, we met him at.
Ashford.
Yeah. That's over a year ago, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well over.
But everyone, I mean, we still pretty much talk to everyone that's there except for one. But
Yeah.
It wasn't planned that I was going to meet him either. It just happened to be I was at Absolute and then I saw
You
him,
happened to be there.
and he happened to be doing it the same day.
I don't think anything's changed with here either. Like, I think he's just developing a much bigger dislike ratio nowadays, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean,
We fell out with some of the ones up.
We are now approaching
we fell out with
Reading.
Reece, George Stewart. I don't know.
Josh.
Josh McDonald.
They fell out.
Oh wow.
According to Josh.
Servicing. Gatwick Airport.
Unless you know different. I mean, they were like
Oxford.
inseparable at
Please
one point.
change
Was
here.
that me and James? Or Mike and James?
Mike, they're still very.
I know they are. Yeah. Mike
Please
doesn't even
take
talk
all
to
your
me.
He ran off. James did when we went to Glasgow.
Yeah, I
he
heard
was
about
on,
that.
yeah, he was on the platform and he looked cross and he ran.
Did you see him at
Please mind the gap
the
between
King
the trains and the platform.
Oh yeah, I stood right behind him.
Yeah, and he you said he dropped down his shade. and
Yeah,
walked away.
yeah. Go on in, Adam.
Yeah, see, he's not one. He's already told me he don't like confrontation.
No, he doesn't. Well, he's a bit like Ranger, doesn't like it either.
Yeah, but
It's
yeah,
just his
he
psycho
doesn't like
father.
confrontation. But
I put a customer request or something.
Off London Heathrow. It's 15:21, 13:34, British Airways flight to Newcastle. Flight 1334 to Newcastle. Landing off of London Heathrow. It's flight to BA289. It's the 1522 British Airways flight to Phoenix. Flight 289 to Phoenix. Landing off London Heathrow will be your 1520 flight 462 British Airways flight to Madrid Barajas.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but is that...
Here she is. Oh, it's going to be cloud. Flight 462 to Madrid Barajas. Having off London Heathrow is flight EY20. Which is for your 1527 Etihad Airways flights to Abu Dhabi. Coming off London Heathrow is your 1530 flight 959 United Airlines flight to Chicago. Flight 959 to Chicago. Now we go from London Heathrow. It's your 1531 flight 778 Egypt Air flight to Cairo. Flight 778 to Cairo. Landing off London Heathrow, it's your 1533 flight 960 British Airways flight to Munich. Here she is. Flight 960 to Munich. Now leaving off London Heathrow is your 1535 flight 566 British Airways flight to Milan.
What time's this?
It's British Airways flight BA566 to Milan. Oh damn, it's gone. Oh, there it is. It's gone to the clouds then. Focus! Flight 566 to Milan. Having off London Heathrow, it's your 1536 flight 149 British Airways flight to Beirut. There she is. Flight 149 to Beirut. Having off London Heathrow, it's your 1537 flight 910 British Airways flight to Frankfurt. A319. There she is. It's an A319.
Adam,
It's an A319.
that's the one down there.
No, that is.
What's the one that's taxi?
Wait, oh. Flights 9:10 to Frankfurt. Landing off London Heathrow is your 15:38. Flights 849. Air Canada flight to Toronto. Flights 849 to Toronto.
Is that one going to? No, you won't. Okay.
Going off London Heathrow, 1541, 7463 Eurowings flight to Hamburg. Flight 7463 to Hamburg. Landing off London Heathrow in 1544. Flight 135 American Airlines flight to Los Angeles. Here she is. Flight 135 to Los Angeles. Leave off platform number 4 at Heathrow Airport Terminal 5 will be your 1557 on Yankee 65 Heathrow Express over to London Paddington 332013. to London Paddington. Approaching platform 4 at Heathrow Airport Terminal 5 will be your 1601 1 Tango 66 Heathrow Express service from London Paddington.
Please change at Heathrow Central for transfer service to Terminal 4. The train upon its arrival will not be ready for immediate boarding. This train will be undergoing a routine security check. Please do not board this train. This train is not ready for boarding. Please kindly remain waiting on this platform. Once again, please do not board this train. This train is not ready for boarding.
332011. This will shortly be our train to London Paddington.
Once again, this train is not ready for boarding. Please remain waiting on the platform.
Three 32011 for London Paddington. They're about to arrive on platform 4 at Paddington. 1645 London Underground Bakerloo line service from Harrow and Wilstow to Elephant and Castle. Train 235. This is our train
Ladies and
to
gentlemen,
Oxford
would
Circus.
customers please use the full length of the platform to avoid congestion at the platform entrances.
We'll see you in Oxford Circus.
So Woodford via Mail, train Woodford Drive.